Next, we'll go into the account section. This is going to be where all of your company settings are. So you can see here, just scroll down to edit account settings. And then in this section, you can upload a company logo, change your company name if you need to. The main contact email is the email address where we will send your monthly invoice receipt. And then you also have the ability to determine what kind of email notifications you would like to receive. Vendors is going to be when a vendor calls the vendor phone line and checks in at one of your properties. Leads is going to be when someone inquires on one of the listing sites. Viewings is when someone actually goes out and self-tours one of your properties. And then feedback is when someone submits the post-showing follow-up feedback that we send renters once they view your properties. You can also add additional email addresses to receive these notifications as well in these CC email fields. Moving down here, you can go ahead and set up your showing schedule. So your showing schedule and your time zone are going to be where the time zone where your lockboxes are located. And then your showing schedule is when you want people to be able to self-tour. So if people show up outside of these hours here, they will not be able to generate a code to access the lockbox. And you can edit these times down to the half hour of whenever you're comfortable with people self-touring your properties. Go ahead and click Save when you're done editing your settings. And in this section is also where you can go ahead and update the credit card that we have on file for your account. And then over in the agent section is where you can add additional agents in your office to be able to have login info to the Rently system. So to do so, you would just hit Add Leasing Agent and then take down their contact information and then assign them a role. The two main roles that most of our clients use are going to be Leasing and Leads and Admin. So admin will have full access to the account and be able to edit company settings and all of that information. Leasing and Leads will not have access to this account tab, so they won't be able to edit any company settings or anything like that. So those are going to be the two differences there regarding the different access to the Rently system. Again, you can edit their access in this agent section. Next, we'll go over to the customization tab. This is where you can register your Rently custom phone line. So when you sign up for Rently, we give you a custom phone line that will be the phone number that we post on your listings. And when renters call that phone number, they're given 3 different options. Option number 1 is to receive more information about a specific property of yours. Option number 2 is to receive a full list of all of your available properties. And then option 3 is to get forwarded to a live representative in your office. So when renters select the option 3 from the Rently custom phone line, they are redirected to this main phone number that we have in your company settings. So just make sure that this main phone number is a phone number that you're comfortable with renters getting access to if they do have questions regarding one of your properties. But going back to the customization section, to register your custom phone line, just click the button. Enter in a good local area code that you want to use, and then select one of the numbers from the list. And again, this will be the number that is shown on your Rently advertisements.